I'm Flight Lieutenant Nathan Jones and I'm a pilot on 10 Squadron. The training aspects were fantastic for me. It was quite different to what I'm used to on the through my Air Force career, especially with the civilian aspect of it. All the instructors that I had were civilians, but the breadth of knowledge that those guys have was just second to none. I mean, we were trading stories whilst we were going through the training program, and we'll have very, very different stories, but one of my instructors had 24,000 hours of flying, so I don't know anyone else that's got that breadth of knowledge and experience with flying. So to be able to pass that on to us new guys onto such a brand new fleet was amazing.
For the training side of things within AirTanker, I've done a lot of different things from what I would have done within the RAF. I've gained a couple of civilian qualifications which I wouldn't have got from my normal day-to-day job within the RAF. That's included the Extended Twin Operations Certificate, the Jefferson courses which allow us to use the flight planning system. The training is tough in certain senses, but if you apply yourself quite well, it's easy to get through. Easy courses, and then within the end of it you've got a good product to work with.
The classroom phase of the training was quite long. It was about 9 months. It was a bit of a culture shock at the time, coming from all our previous squadrons with all our experience, but in the end it's all been worth it, and now finally we get to start carrying out our jobs properly and getting down route with the aircraft and just being the sole engineer on board. That side of it is good.
We're trying to do something very different here with training compared to the rest of the airline industry. We're trying to bring all training into one place, both technical and people skills, that will in the end of the day give us a more rounded individual.
My name is Corporal Caroline Pritchard and I am a cabin crew on the Voyager aircraft. Working in partnership with AirTanker, we've had a great working environment, a great working experience, talking to the cabin crew that we don't necessarily see every day, and working with other people in the building. I think we get along great, and I think it is the start of a great partnership. The training was carried out at British Airways. We had a fabulous time through firefighting drills, slide drills, wet drills, first aid. The whole experience was fantastic.
The MSO training was all done in-house at Thales across from where we're actually based now, using state-of-the-art pennants, tile displays, training aids, and also the simulator, which was again coming from a 1960s airliner. It was a clear black and white. It was a marked improvement, but yeah, very impressed.
The way that the simulator works here was just absolutely amazing. The visuals are so lifelike that you actually think that you're in the aircraft.